Hi, Brian Kurtz here. I'm here to talk to you about a new organization called Left, Right, Straight Ahead. I created this about a year ago and stopped, and it's clear to me now that it's time to actually get this thing going. What Left, Right, Straight Ahead is all about is getting to know each other a little bit more deeply, getting to know the neighbor on your left, the neighbor on your right, and the neighbor straight ahead, which may be across the street or across the hall. Get to know a few people. And the purpose of the organization is to get to know each other on a level that's more human, that's frankly simpler and yet bigger than the divisions that seem to be dividing us in so many ways lately. The politicization of basic social and economic issues. It's not a left wing or right wing issue, it's a human issue. So I've started this organization called Left, Right, Straight Ahead. And it's about working on issues bigger than the divisors. Here's the logo. I've gotten 6-inch by 6-inch stickers made. And what it's about, if you look at the logo, is there are 3 blocks across the bottom, 1 block on top, which you could see as one to the left, one to the right, one straight ahead. The purpose of the logo is to distinguish those important issues. The yellow block is all about self-improvement and education. The green block is about clean, healthy food to eat, clean air, clean water, and doing what we can to make those things happen. The blue block is about clothing and shelter for everyone, regardless how meager or modest. We all need a roof over our heads and clothing. The red block is about medical care for everyone. Now, again, I'm not trying to politicize anything. These are basic human needs that we all require for a life worth living. Now, if you start to wonder, gee, do I know my neighbor on the left or on the right or across the street or across the hall? Some of you may. I do. But I'm amazed at the number of people that don't. When I came up with this idea a year or so ago, I was speaking to a woman named Lena Marchman, who has a wonderful organization she's created through her networking efforts called the Conscious Intersection Collective, or CIC. And Lena's one of the dearest souls I've ever known. And when I told her about this idea, getting to know the neighbor on your left, neighbor on your right, neighbor across the street, straight ahead, as it were, she related to me a story of her own neighbor of 17 years who, when coming back a couple of winters ago from visiting family in Minnesota in the middle of winter, came home to Austin, Texas, where it was a cold, damp, rainy night. And she found when she got home that she'd left her keys in Minneapolis. She needed to call a locksmith. So she had her cell phone. She called the locksmith, but instead of coming on and knocking on Lena's door to say, hey, can I hang out here for 45 minutes or so until the locksmith shows up, she didn't. She actually sat outside in the cold and damp, alone, waiting for the locksmith. And Lena made it so clear that we need to be bigger than that. We need to be friendlier than that. Now, as this is being recorded, we're still in the middle of a pandemic. We need to keep our social distancing. We need to maintain a distance, but we also need to maintain a perspective that we need each other, that we need as humans to be in contact with each other. We need to overcome the division created by political organizations to divide us, to keep us from being as closely connected as we could be as fellow human souls. It's time to come together. And I think Left, Right, Straight Ahead could be the organization to do that. I'm not asking for major contributions, but if you send me $5, I'll send you this 6x6-inch sticker. In fact, I'll send you a couple if you'd like, as well as with your email address, I'll send you paperwork and course information and information on videos I'm creating to help you overcome whatever blocks you may have on meeting your neighbors, to make it a little easier. Because let's face it, if you've not gotten to know your neighbors and it's been a while, or you did get to know them and it's been a while, there may be some hesitation. I can help you with that. I'd like to be able to have this whole thing make an impact. All I want is money to continue to buy stickers and send out information to people. With your email address, I can send you some paperwork, stuff to read, perspectives to share. There will soon be a Left, Right, Straight Ahead website. The domain's been registered. The website's being created. And there'll be information there as well. There'll be a Left, Right, Straight Ahead YouTube channel. The biggest thing I want from everyone right now is to go to the Left, Right, Straight Ahead Facebook page and take pictures of you and your neighbors, or have each of your neighbors send you pictures or you send them pictures, so that together you can post pictures of yourselves together, either actually or virtually, and have pictures of that group of you with your neighbor on the left, on the right, and straight ahead. Takes less effort and uses no water compared to the bucket challenge, the ice bucket challenge of a few years ago. And it'll help bring us together. Again, it's all perspective, but can we work our way toward a perspective of unity as opposed to division, of humanity as opposed to people in groups based on labels or differences? I think we're more similar than we are different. Let's work toward that together. Thank you.